Hello everyone, class 11th chemistry. Our today's topic is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. In this video, we will discuss Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg, a German physicist, in 1927 gave a principle about the uncertainty in simultaneous measurement of position and momentum of small particles. Heisenberg realized that in the world of very small particles, one cannot measure any property of a particle without interacting with it in a same way. This introduces an unavoidable uncertainty into the results. He gave a principle. That principle is known as Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It states that it is impossible to measure simultaneously the position and momentum of small particle with absolute accuracy. He gave a equation. The equation is the uncertainty principle equation. According to this equation, delta x dot delta p is equal to and greater than h upon 4 pi. Here, delta x is uncertainty in the position, delta p is uncertainty in the momentum, h is Planck's constant. He observed the product of uncertainty in the position and the uncertainty of the momentum is always constant and is equal to or greater than 4h upon 4 pi. It means delta x dot delta p is equal to constant, and this constant is h upon 4 pi. This constant is known as Heisenberg uncertainty constant. It is equal to h upon 4 pi. When we expand delta p, we can write this equation as delta x m delta v h upon 4 pi. Here delta x is uncertainty in position, whereas delta v is uncertainty in velocity. He also says that the more accurately you know the position, the less accurately you know the momentum. And vice versa. I already explained it to you. Delta x dot delta p is constant. It means if the value of delta x is low, then value of delta p is high, and vice versa. Okay, if value of delta x is low, then value of delta p is very high. We can observe it by this simple animation. Here you can easily observe when the value of momentum is less, the value of position is maximum. When value of position is minimum, the value of momentum is maximum. Observe it. You can easily observe. Okay. So the uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum are inversely proportional to each other. Okay. What is the significance of Heisenberg uncertainty principle? Heisenberg uncertainty principle holds good for all objects, but it is significant only for microscopic particles. Now we will discuss a very important question. Why electron cannot exist in the nucleus? We answer this question. First, we consider let electron is present in the nucleus. Then, uncertainty in its position delta x is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Here, 10 to the power minus 15 is diameter of nucleus. Mass of electron m is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Now we calculate the uncertainty in velocity. According to uncertainty principle, delta x m delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi. Here delta v, that is uncertainty in velocity, will be equal h upon 4 pi m delta x. When we place the values of delta h, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, 4, value of pi 3.14, mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and diameter of nucleus, that is 10 to the power minus 15, which is act as a uncertainty in position. When we calculate this equation, the answer comes to be 5.7 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second. The uncertainty in velocity is more than that of the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Thus, we can say that electron does not exist in the nucleus. Now we will solve one more question. The question is, a golf ball has a mass of 40 gram and a velocity of 45 meter per second. If the speed can be measured within an accuracy of 2%, calculate the uncertainty in its position. First, we will write the given values, that is mass of ball, that is 40 gram, or in kg its value is 0.040 kg. Velocity is given, velocity v 45 meter per second. Accuracy is given, that is 2%. First, we will calculate uncertainty in velocity. For that, we know uncertainty in velocity delta v will be equal to 45 into 2 divided by 100. Here 45 is velocity and 2 is accuracy. When we calculate it, the value comes to be 0.9 meter per second. According to uncertainty principle, we know delta x dot delta p is equal to h upon 4 pi. or delta x m delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi. Now we will calculate delta x, that is uncertainty in position, is equal to h upon 4 pi m delta v. We substitute the value of h, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, for the value of pi 3.14, m 0.04 in kg, delta v, that is uncertainty in velocity, we already calculated, its value is 0.9. When we calculate this, the value comes to be 1.46 into 10 to the power minus 33 meter. So this is our answer. Okay, now we will solve one more question. A microscope using suitable photon is employed to locate an electron in an atom within a distance of 0.1 angstrom. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? Okay, we answer this question. First, we will write given. For the given value is uncertainty in position, that is delta x 0.1 angstrom. When we change into meter, the value comes to be 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 10 or 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Planck's constant value is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. The mass of electron m is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. According to uncertainty principle, delta x m delta v is equal to h upon 4 pi. We have to calculate uncertainty in velocity. Thus, equation become delta v is equal to h 4 pi m delta x. We place the value of h, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, value of pi 3.14, value of m 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and value of delta x, that is 10 to the power minus 11. When we solve it, the answer comes to be 5.79 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. That is our answer. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.